All right, so today we're going to be opening up a business checking account now that we got our EIN number and our LLC set up. But first, I want to kind of go over the difference between a bank and a credit union. The major difference is that banks are for profit and credit unions are non-profit and for its members. Banks are usually more tech savvy. They implement the latest online banking and technology, while credit unions are kind of a little bit behind on that. There's more locations and ATMs for banks. Credit unions have fewer locations and they have fewer ATMs. Banks usually have better rewards programs. Um, However, their customer service is usually not as good. It's not as personal as a credit union. They have higher fees, and it's harder to get loans with a bank compared to a credit union. Credit unions have less fees. And for example, so right now I have a credit union's homepage opened up, and their business checking account, you have to have a minimum balance of $300. Their monthly service fee is $5, but it is waived if you keep that $300 minimum in your business checking. If you go to a larger bank like Chase, you have to have a $1,500 minimum balance in your business checking. There's a $15 service fee, monthly service fee, and that is waived if you keep the $1,500 in your checking account. And finally, we have online business checking accounts. I went with Azlo. I did a little research and generally had pretty good reviews. And the main advantage with this business checking account is that, and the reason why I went with them is that you don't need any minimum balance and there's no maintenance fees. We're just starting out. We're trying to do this at a low budget. We're not making money yet, so I went with Azlo. You can integrate it with your QuickBooks, and you can even do invoicing to your clients. It sets up, it integrates really well with PayPal and Stripe. I went with Azlo. I know there's other online business checking accounts. Novo is another one that comes to my head. I can't think of any other ones. So if you open up a checking account with Azlo, you're gonna need an ID, a driver's license. You're gonna need your articles of organization, which is the form that we filled out in our first video setting up an LLC. You're going to have to upload that document, and then when you got your EIN number, you should have got a PDF packet, which is like the IRS, kind of like a welcome letter with your business information and your EIN number. The whole process took, I want to say, 5-10 minutes. It's done completely online. And then I got a confirmation email 2 business days after I completed the application, and then I got the business debit card that they sent me. It took about 7 days to get, 7 business days. The disadvantages, you don't have any physical location. Also, one con is that they don't have as many ATMs. But just because we're starting off simple with no money, this is the reason why I went with Azlo. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Our next video, we're going to be talking about logo creations, how to make a logo, or where to go to get a logo made. That's it, and thank you for watching.